definitely sus.
I'm afraid. So are you didn't kill, right?
Obviously, did not kill.
I should let everyone know what I'm doing as well. Don't worry, guys. I will soon become Donnie and tell you guys the truth. There we go.
Well, it's a little sus that Liger left.
I want to get through these cobwebs, but I don't have a sword. Do you
Wait, is it?
have a sword?
No, I don't. But is it just patience? Whoever has the most patience can get through it?
I really don't want to. Well, you know what? There is something right here, you know. I assume that there's like a little... Yeah, see, what is this? Why am I chilling right here?
Hey, Donnie.
Hello, Rage. How's it going?
It's good. I'm a little bit lost.
You are? Why?
Oh, well, I don't know. I've been told that there's clues in here somewhere, and I'm looking everywhere, and there's no clues. I feel like I was lied to.
So I built this house in survival, so I can tell you that this room is this is my bedroom. This is where I sleep.
This is where you sleep.
Yeah.
Here.
In the cobwebs here.
Maybe that's why you're dead.
Maybe.
Just a thought. I see a sign up there, though. Is it going to kill me? Is that going to kill me going for that sign up there?
Oh no.
I think I see a sign up there.
I wouldn't go for it, but go for it. Go crazy.
Nope. I'll let someone else do that. I'll let Linux do it, and then I'll ask him what it says.
Smart decision.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we're in a green room now. I think this should be good enough.
I don't know where's Mario. Hey.
Whoa, why is this a little bit weird?
All right, you guys might want to look away. I'm about to do it. It didn't really work.
Wait, yeah, there's nothing over here.
Anyways.
Okay, no, I'm not even gonna risk that jump.
Yeah, maybe I don't go in there.
really
That's a little bit
angry
sus.
right now.
Maybe I could bait someone.
I'm going in, Linux. Just
Screw it,
full
screw
sending
it.
it.
We
bro.
already
I'm
committed.
shooting.
We already
Yeah,
committed. We're
yeah,
already
we
in
did.
there.
We did.
Oh, there's something back there.
Really?
Yeah.
Go. I'm trying to boost you, but I'm being
I see it. Come.
I found Liger. Where did
I'm on. I'm ready for my friend to come. No, just wait there. Two people are watching. Who's watching? Who's watching? Alright, I'll send the link to Dennis. Alright, let me look. Okay, there's the image.
There we go. Wait, where's your audio? Keep going.
Hello. I make a live stream later.
Yes, makes sense. I'm just trying to. Okay, I'll start with the China.
That's one. Hold on 1 second.
Hello.
Alright, Alright, so Dimitri, I'll send you the link for
look, it's
for more quick video, okay? So I'm sending the link right now. I'll send you the link, right?
Where the heck did I even put the?
Alright guys, that's all for now.
Or not?
I'm in the stream right now. I'm out of the stream, but I will be streaming. But I'm gonna ask Mario if I can make a live stream.
Oh no, this picture. Okay, never mind. Hold on, be right back. What?
Wait, who's there?
Alright guys, I'm out. So
Why are you
I sent you the
showing
link to
this?
Dimitri. I'm out guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys later. I'll send you the link. Right?
Where the?
Dimitri, I'll send you.
Okay. Hello.
Like I'm supposed to say something. Why did I agree to this? I don't even have a machine to play Fallen Order on. What's going on, Kyle? Trick or treat. Stan and Kyle, you take the back entrance. Carbon and I will block him from the side. Cartman, smash! Holy shit, they shot this guy! Oh my god! Dude, fuck this, let's bail! Alright, thanks a lot for helping us, dude. Yeah, sure, whatever. You just gotta pretend you're Blanket until we can get the real Blanket somewhere safe. Aren't I too big to be Blanket? I don't think Mr. Jefferson pays enough attention to his son to notice. Come on. Blanket, you in here? Hi, guys! Shh, Blanket, we're gonna take you away for a little while, okay? You are? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you! Alright, dude, get in his bed. Alright, but you guys owe me for this. Dude, whatever, at least you finally get to do something. Oh, Jesus! What the hell is going on, you guys? My blanket! Let's play, Blanket! No, wait, I'm not Blanket! He can fly, he can fly! Ah, stop! Oh my god, he killed Kitty! You bastard! Alright, Kitty, you know what has to happen. Suck bath! Everyone wash Kitty with the soap and dry him off with the sauce! No, not the sauce! What the fuck? I mean... What the fuck? Goodbye, you guys. Thank you, Kenny. Yeah, thanks for going back to hell for us. You're a real pal. Dude, maybe we have to rip a tooth out. Goodbye, you guys. Dude, maybe we don't have to rip a tooth out of Kenny's mouth. Yeah, we just have to get Butter's tooth. Woohoo! How are we gonna get it from him? I guess we'll have to sneak into his house after he goes to sleep tonight. Yeah, let's go! Go, Timmy, go! Yeah, Timmy! No, Timmy, wait! You guys, I can see Kenny's little pangling. Ah!
Good morning. I'm here. Okay, I think we're all here. I see.
For me to shit on this.